Press the power button, then press the escape button. Enter setup. Fastboot disable. Security boot disable. And save change and exit. Yes, run Rufus. Okay, we will choose the device and select the image. Okay. Then its important things is which we choose. MBR and GPT. It should be not MBR, should be GPT. It's the important things. Then you can write your volume label. Then the other important things is file system. It should be this. Then start. Okay, it's completed. Then we press close. Press the escape button. Then we choose other options, Windows options like that.